Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Contact over here and tap on the one that you wish to set up. In my case, this one. You can do exactly the same to add the other ones. When you finished but you wish to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!